Alright, bye, have a good night.
Bye, sweetheart.
Oh, Lucy, are you still filming for her? Well, I'm about to get ready now. You wanna follow me? So tonight we're gonna go to the Standard Hotel. We're gonna go to Le Bain. Everyone there is really bold and really fun. So I have to go and find all of my makeup really quick.
Are you almost ready? Is this what you're gonna be wearing?
I think so. I think that I found everything, so we should probably start.
Yes, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Alright, let's go. Hey, what's up?
This or this?
That one.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wear this one.
Okay, fine. Alright, so I'm gonna start with this fine wine eyeliner. It's gonna make this look last all night. We're just gonna put that everywhere we possibly can, and we're just gonna smudge that out with our finger. And then we're gonna go on the under eye, because it wouldn't be a grungy eye look without some under eye makeup. And again, we're gonna do the same thing and just blend it down. So we're just blending this down. We wanna do a really quick, easy, grungy 90s inspired look. I wanna do something that's gonna have a lot of color, but then also give you something you can wear all night. So we're just blending all that. And that's your first start of your base. So now I'm gonna go and take a crease brush. I'm gonna take these new iconic palettes. This is in Scandalous, and I'm going to put the red all over my eye. This way it sets all of this in. I'm gonna take another highlighter pencil. This is in Wavelength, and I'm going to pop that right into my waterline because I really like using opposite opposing colors to make my looks look more rebellious. Now you want to take your smudge brush and blend all this out. Now that you have your bold eyes set in, you want to go in with your mascara. We're going to use our Velvet Noir, and we're really going to extend those lashes. We want something that's going to be blacker than black to make the lashes super, super long and super bold and full. Oh my God. Jay! Jay! Jay, come in here.
What's up?
What do you think about this eye?
Yes, I love that.
You're about it?
Looks so good.
All right, should I add anything else to it?
Pop on a little bit of blush.
I'm gonna use Kicking Kisses. We're gonna go with this one.
I love Kings and Kisses.
Right, I mean, we're going to the bar tonight. We might as well
Yes.
throw some of that on. Do you want some too?
Looks good, yeah.
I mean, it does look good on you though.
It does.
It does. Okay, now I'm getting ready. All right, so now we're going with my favorite part. We're using Spotlight Illuminator, and we're gonna put the dew all in here. We're gonna be sweating all night anyway, so we really wanna make sure it's just a little bit more glamorous. So I'm gonna finish this look up with some gloss. We're gonna go in with Enamel Lip Lacquer in Love Buzz, and we're just gonna put that all over the lips. My lips matching my highlight though. All right, so this is the look. This is gonna be so dope. A lot of color going on in the eye, something to draw some attention, a highlight that's popping, and a little bit of lips so that way we don't have to do too much throughout the night and we can still have our drinks. All right, but now I need to go find an outfit. Lucy!
Yeah?
Do you have anything I can borrow to wear?
What are you wearing?
Just bring me something crazy.
Okay, give me a minute. I have this.
That's perfect.
Gorgeous.
Thank you.
Are you going on the date tonight?
Yeah, but of course he's already waiting for the Uber and I'm still running late.
I love the makeup.
Thank you.
Have fun.
All right, you have a good night.
I'll see you later.
See you, thank you.
You ready?
Yeah, let's go. Oh, but you guys gotta stay here. You're not invited.